this is what we got. GM performance exhaust for the V6 Camaro. What part number is I'm using here? Alright, that's it there. The 922069990. I don't know, they look pretty nice. These tips look much better, I'll tell you that. Alright, I've got this thing jacked up. Let's see. They're gonna fit in that hole. They're gonna look much better in there. Let's see what we got under this mess here. Oh God, those things are so ugly. I can't wait to get rid of them. It kills me cutting apart a car that's 2 weeks old, but this exhaust has got to go. I really hope that this GM exhaust is going to be much better than this. I think I just got to cut it right here and bolt them up. Alright, well, let's see what we got to do. Alright, that's what we're going with. It's, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's roughly 2 1/4. Tried to make them the same, but I cut a strip of paper to kind of wrap around there, so at least I knew it was somewhat parallel, I guess, going around. Alright, I marked it, so now I just got to cut it. Both cut. Now, this is a stupid paper thing. I'm gonna file this up a little bit. Let me do both of them, and then we'll try to get these new ones in. Alright, got them in there, but I don't think they're in all the way, because it says in the thing that this is supposed to be a maximum of 4 inches. I'm at like 5 1/4. It looks pretty good sticking out like that, but maybe it is a bit much. Plus, from where I cut it, it's not quite covering. I don't know if you can see it. It's only halfway, like the pipe is here, so I guess if I go in another inch or so, it'll probably work out perfect. I wouldn't think that this would have hung down as much as it did. You think they could have turned that, spun that a little bit better, made it so you didn't see it, but guess what it is. But it went in pretty easy. So much more room than those other things. But I guess let me mess around with it. See if I can get it nice. That's it. You know, I was thinking about maybe having these welded on, but these clamp-on fittings are pretty sweet. I mean, it's tight. It seals it right around there pretty good. So I think I'm just gonna be happy with that. I don't know, it went pretty easy, really. I don't know how much easier it could really be. I did push it in another inch or so. So now they're just sticking out a little bit, which I think they're just perfect. You spin them a little bit and you can get it centered just perfect. I mean, I think I got them pretty good. This one looks a little bit towards, I don't know, splitting hairs. Looks good. Alright, now I'm just going to drop it and see how she sounds. Oh, it definitely sounds better at idle. At least got a little bit of a rumble to it. I don't know if you can hear it on there. Alright, here we are inside the car. Let me shut these windows. Give you an idea what this sounds like from inside. Better than the stock. I don't hear no drone or nothing. In fact, when I get on it, I feel like it's a little quieter than the stock. I mean, I don't know if quieter is the right word. It's definitely lower and meaner, but not really louder. Sounds pretty mean for a V6. Fortunate this is in front of me right now. No, this sounds good. I'm happy with this. It's not really getting any drone. I mean, I'm not on the parkway cruising at 70 either, but so far it's nice. I'm happy. It was either this I was going to do the MRT 2.0, but I don't know. When I talked to the dealer, they were being all funny about warranty stuff, and I figured if I stick with the GM part, I don't have to worry about it. If the car was maybe a couple years old, I wouldn't worried about aftermarket, but this isn't so bad. Anyway, there there she is. Looks good, sounds good. I would say for those of you who are looking for something a little more aggressive, maybe the GM performance upgrade's not the way to go, because it's not really that much louder. It just kind of changes the tone, brings it down. It's deeper.